How to share games on Steam. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to share games on Steam application. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, launch Steam on your friend's computer and then click Steam. After that, here simply click on to settings. Then here simply click on the family option. After that, click the authorized library sharing on this device toggle. After that, simply find your friend's username in the list of eligible accounts and then click on corresponding share toggle. Then, where the share toggle is on, your friend will have access to your games. So in this very simple step you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this was for today's video. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.